If you're wondering how to get your FAFSA money into your bank account, here's a quick walkthrough. Start by opening your browser and searching how to get FAFSA money into your bank account. Click the official link from studentaid.gov. Once you're on the site, scroll down until you find the section about how financial aid is disbursed. Now, here's how the process works. After you've submitted your FAFSA and your school processes it, you'll need to accept the financial aid through your school's online portal. Accepting the aid doesn't send the money straight to you. First, your school uses it to cover tuition, fees, and if you live on campus, housing. Whatever is left after those charges is called a credit balance. That's the money that can go directly into your bank account. To receive it, you'll need to set up direct deposit through your school. Log into your student portal, find the section for refunds or direct deposit and enter your bank info, usually your account and routing numbers. Once that's set up, the remaining funds will automatically be sent to your account when your school releases them. So, in short, submit your FAFSA, accept the aid, your school handles the required payments, and you set up direct deposit to get what's left. That's all you need to do.